everyone. So, welcome back to another long format video which I did not shoot or upload for the longest time now. और आज भी मैंने कोई plan किया नहीं था, but then I received this huge courier from Bangalore to Delhi packed by my best friend. And so these are not new stuffs, these are the stuffs that I already had जहाँ पे मैं रहती थी पहले, एंड मुझे फ़िलहाल वो सब चीज़ें यहाँ पे चाहिए, तो rather than buying it I thought it's better to get it courier here because I don't really know when will I get the chance to go back to Bangalore. और काफ़ी ही बड़ा बॉक्स आया है, तो I wanted to show you guys what exactly do I have it. Okay, so the first thing is my office bag. I was missing my bag because मैंने यहाँ पे you guys would know that you always need at least one good and spacious bag to carry it whenever you step out, and I did not really have any except one backpack with me. So मेरे लिए to get my bag was very important, and I got this. यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हैं विच आई रियली वॉन्टेड, नहीं तो वो एक्सपायर हो जाएंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव दिस मैकेफीन का कॉफ़ी बॉडी बटर, अ स्पेयर फ़ोन दैट आई वॉन्टेड. उसके अलावा आई वॉन्टेड फ्यू एक्स्ट्रा वाटर बॉटल्स बिकॉज यहाँ पे काफ़ी ठंडी ऑलरेडी आ चुकी है गाइज, एंड आई वॉन्टेड अ प्रॉपर स्टील के कुछ बॉटल्स. यार न्यू खरीदने का तो मेरा मन बिल्कुल भी नहीं था बिकॉज दीज आर प्रिटी एक्सपेंसिव एंड आई ऑलरेडी हैव ब्रांड न्यू वंस, तो फालतू में क्यों खरीदा जाए. एंड few sticky notes. So I have a lot of sticky notes. I am a stationery holder and I wanted one of the new that I have, so she was kind enough to pack this as well. This is one of the spare makeup plus what is this, skin care, body care stuff, जो extra चीज़ें होते थे जो मैं नहीं use करती थी, or the brand new ones I would always keep here. Another gifted Victoria's Secret Midnight Bloom perfume. This was gifted to me by one of my other friends. A few more gifted body care products which will expire soon. That's why pretty important for me to use it as soon as possible. Few of the extra scrunchies. Okay, and this is one of the other very special bag I do own. This is again gifted. This is gifted by one of the organizations I previously interned in last year, and this is High Design ka leather bag. Okay, and then I have my shoes, and then I have two clothes storage bag. It's winter and I do need my winter wear with me, so why to buy when I already have so much. This is one of the storage bags. This is one of the other storage bag. She packed it so perfectly. She has put so much efforts and it's very heavy. But yeah, that was all जो हमारे courier पे आज आया. But the special part always comes later, and it is this. Now this was a total surprise. I really had no idea she was doing something so sweet and nice. And she has also written a very, very cute note. I'm excited to unbox all of it. She ordered 4 Cosmix plant protein powder for me. 4 of them are the ones I really wanted to try out. So I'm super excited. I'm super duper excited and I'm really, really happy. And this is one of my favorite biscuits that she introduced me because मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ऐसा कोई biscuits होता भी है. But the moment she introduced me with it, I was a fan. And then there are more chocolates. Vanilla dark choco cream. I love vanilla. That's like the classic best flavor. So 3 chocolates. Oh my god, and then she gifted me something from Jiva. It's candles. There are 2. Because again, we both love candles. We love scented candles. Anything that makes us feel nice. And again, this is vanilla as well. I can smell vanilla. It says French vanilla. Wait, let me just show you. And then there's one more. It's milk rose. I love rose. I love how beautiful roses smell, and it smells exactly. And then there are more snacks. So I have wafers. I love wafers. I'm the wafer kind of girly. And then I have strawberry flavored wafers. And then I have more. This is vanilla flavored wafer biscuit. She packed packed 4 Korean noodles for me, which I love the most. Guys, if this is the standard best friends can, this is the benchmark. This is the benchmark you should expect from any sort of relationships. Guys, this is so much. Oh God. I love notebooks. You know how much I love notebooks. And this is the Van Gogh self. This is the Van Gogh painting themed. I love this painting. I love anything and everything to do with notebooks, especially these mini sized ones, the aesthetic ones. I love the color. This is my favorite color. When did you even do that? And then she has chopsticks. She gifted me chopsticks, guys. What else do you need? Man, I mean, I was having such a low day. I was just feeling extremely low and underwhelmed. And I'm like, why is it happening to me? When will it get over? When will we all get to live the normal life again? And then suddenly I received this package, which was expected. But this part of the package was not expected at all. And she did that in such a short notice. She was able to send almost whatever I had, and she did it all by herself without any help. And I just want to say, she'd be too embarrassed to hear, but thank you so much. I'll not be able to express in words how much it means for me. I mean, these gestures mean the world to me. It can not just lift my mood, but it makes me feel hopeful once again that we will meet each other very soon. I hope it's very, very soon. And yeah, that was all. And I'm just so happy. Thank you. Thank you for watching.